Oh, good news mga kababayan. Tuloy-tuloy na yung ating Maharlika Fund. Yung ating Pangulong BBM. Inappoint na po yung kauna-unahang presidente at chief executive officer po ng Maharlika Investment Fund. Ayan po ang bagong appointment ng ating Pangulo, si Rafael Consing, named Maharlika Chief Executive Officer. Malamangan niya, Mr. Maravillas, hindi na makatulog yung mga haters ng Maharlika Investment Fund. Yung mga haters po, sabi nga, haters will always hate. Di ba? Siguradong may masasabi na naman sila. Kasi sila yung sabi, mga matatalino dito sa ating bansa. Alam na naman po ninyo, pag matatalino, laging may puna. Pero pag sila yung sila yung ilagay mo para gumawa, wala, mga lampa din. Ang expertise nila mga kababayan, magpuna at magreklamo. Ganon. So ano niya, Mr. Maravillas, ang mangyayari niyan? Tuloy na po. Tuloy-tuloy na po ang pag-unlad ng bagong Pilipinas. But before ko sa inyo mga kababayan ibigay yung full story para makilala natin kung sino itong si Rafael Consing, click subscribe muna dito sa ating YouTube channel and hit the notification bell po para lagi kayong updated sa mga kaganapan dito sa ating bansa. Like and share na rin po ninyo ng ating video para marami yung makapanood. At wag na rin po ninyo na i-skip yung ating mga commercial ads para tuloy-tuloy ang pag-unlad ng Maharlika Fund. Ayos. Ano niya, Mr. Maravillas, yung connection ng commercial mo? Kasama yan sa investment po? What? O, diba? Para gumanda yung ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Pag maganda yung ekonomiya natin, gaganda yung hanap buhay ng mga mamamayang Filipino. Di ba? Kabit-kabit po yon mga kababayan. Historic po ito kasi first time na magkaroon tayo ng Maharlika Investment Fund. So siya yung kauna-unahang presidente and Chief Executive Officer po ng MIC, si Rafael Consing Jr. Nagtapos siya mga kababayan ng AB Political Science sa De La Salle University, 1989. Then, emerging CFO, Strategic Financial Leadership Program sa Stanford University, Stanford Graduate School of Business, 2016 po. Ngayon, ang experience niya po, naging Vice President siya ng Multinational Investment Bank Corporation from 1989 to 1993. Naging Vice President siya and Treasurer po ng Aboitiz and Company Incorporated from 1993 to 1995. Tapos, naging Vice President siya ng Bankers Trust Company 1995 to 1999. Tapos, naging Managing Director siya ng HSBC 1999 to 2007. Then, naging Senior Vice President siya and Chief Financial Officer ng International Container Terminal Services Incorporated from April 2007 pala to January 2023. Tapos, na-appoint siya mga kababayan ng ating Pangulong Bongbong as Executive Director ng Office of the Presidential Advisor for Investment and Economic Affairs since January 2023. So, with his qualifications po and work experience and academic qualifications po, any violent reaction po, mga kababayan. So, makikita ninyo yung exposure niya, yung experience niya sa corporate world, sa banking and investment. Malawak yung kanya pong karanasan So yun siguro mga kababayan yung siyempre naging basihan ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa pag-appoint kay Rafael Consing Jr. bilang unang presidente at chief executive officer nitong Maharlika Investment Corporation. So sabi nga mga kababayan sa news release na pinalabas ngayon ng Presidential Communications Office, itong si Consing, mga kababayan, is an accomplished, results-driven, and multi-awarded C-level executive with profound depth of experience in corporate governance, mergers and acquisitions, corporate finance, global capital markets, stakeholder relations, and business strategy development. So yun anya yung kailangan na work experience mga kababayan dito sa Maharlika Investment Corporation. He has demonstrated a remarkable ability to create value across economic cycles through sound strategic fiscal management. He is also well-versed in global corporate governance and has had a successful transition from regional investment banking to senior corporate management and government advisory. So yan po mga kababayan ang work experience ni Rafael Consing Jr. So yung galing niya mga kababayan sa corporate world, magagamit niya dito sa Maharlika Investment Corporation na binuo mga kababayan under Republic Act number 11954 na magiging primary vehicle for mobilizing and utilizing the Maharlika Investment Fund para sa investment in transactions para makapag-generate ng optimal returns ng investments. Isang strategic move ng ating gobyerno sa broader objective nito of reinvigorating job creation at mapabilis ang pagbangon ng ating ekonomiya ng ating bansa, mabawasan ang kahirapan while sustaining the economy's high growth trajectory and ensuring sustainable development. Yan ang rason mga kababayan kung bakit binuo ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Hiningi niya siyempre yung tulong ng kanyang pinsan na si Martin Romualdez at sa tulong ng kanyang anak din na isang congressman na silang si Sandro Marcos na siyang mga major sponsors po nito ng Maharlika Investment Fund. Kaya kontra yung mga dilawan. Di ba? Grabe ang duda nila. Yung appointment mga kababayan ni Consing kasunod ng final revision ng internal rules and regulations. So, yan po yung revised implementing rules and regulations of the Maharlika Investment Fund Act of 2023, Republic Act number 11954. Kaya hinold muna ng konting oras ng ating Pangulong Bongbong yung implementation kasi nireview niya yung internal rules. Ngayon, yung may mga question po, yung mga matatalino, baka duda kayo sa revised internal rules and regulations. May mga questions kayo. Yung iba, question na po sa yung mismong batas po, question na mga kababayan sa Supreme Court. O di basahin na lang po ninyo ito. Yan po, mga kababayan. Medyo mahaba-haba siya. Kita po ninyo. Ito yung revised internal rules and regulations. Mahaba-haba siya. Basahin ninyo. Available ito, mga kababayan. You can search this. Yung initial capital nito pala. Section 6, capitalization and initial funding. The MIC shall have an authorized capital stock of 500 billion pesos. Ayan po, 500 billion pesos. Basahin na lang po ninyo, mga kababayan, kasi mahaba-haba siya. Baka may duda kayo. Di ba? Yan po, mga kababayan. Ayan, sabi diyan, allowable investment, cash, foreign currencies, metals, and other tradable commodities, pwede. Fixed income instrument issued by sovereigns, quasi-sovereigns, and supranationals, domestic and foreign corporate bonds. Yan po, listed or unlisted equities, whether common, preferred, or hybrids, Islamic investment, sige lang ang daloy po ng mga investments all throughout the world dito, such as sukuk bonds. Tama kaya yung basa ko niyan? Sukuk. Joint ventures or co-investment, mergers, acquisitions, mutual and exchange trade funds invested in underlying assets, real estate and infrastructure projects, provided that investments in infrastructure projects shall be directed towards the fulfillment of national priorities, such as National Infrastructure Program of the Department of Public Works and Highways and other infrastructure agencies, the Inclusive Innovation Industry Strategy of the Department of Trade and Industry, and the public investment programs of the National Economic and Development Authority. Pati mga kababayan, mga programa and projects on health, education, research, and innovations and other such investments that contribute to sustainable development. Pasok dito mga kababayan sa Maharlika Investment Corporation. Mga loans and guarantees to or participations into joint ventures o itong mga tinatawag na consortiums with Filipino and foreign investors, whether in majority or minority position in commercial, industrial, mining, agricultural, housing, energy, and other enterprises. Other investment with sustainable and development impact aligned with the Section 17 as may be approved by the board of yung board nitong MIC, such as those covering idle properties, whether located within or outside the country, owned by government agencies and instrumentalities. Ayan po yung mga board of directors, mga kababayan. The board of directors shall be 9 members, composed of as follows. The Secretary of Finance shall sit as the chairperson at in an ex officio capacity. Yung presidente siyempre and Chief Executive Officer si Consing Jr. bilang chairperson. Yung presidente and CEO ng Land Bank of the Philippines, president and CEO ng DBP, 2 regular directors and 3 independent directors from the private sector. Di ba? Matitindi mga kababayan yung bumubuo ng board ng Maharlika Investment Corporation. Hindi siya basta-basta. Kaya magiging matatag siya, mga kababayan. Kasi magagaling na personalities in the corporate world, in banking, ang humahawak po nito. So yan po ang bagong appointee ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Rafael D. Consing Jr., President and Chief Executive Officer, Maharlika Investment Corporation. Ayos po mga kababayan, talagang lilipad na po yung ating ekonomiya. Magiging tuloy-tuloy na po yung pagunlad ng ating bagong Pilipinas. Ayun man lang po mga kababayan, baka lang gusto ninyo po itong itry. Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream. Pinapahid po sa mga pulses and affected area. Mahinam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Revitalizing Serum. Sa mukha naman po yung application. Anti-aging po siya. you will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Nengxia Red Mix Fruit Drink. Hindi man po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Sa mga naghahanap po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, punta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab car rental with our brand new 2023 model Toyota Innova. We also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL and Cebu Pacific and bills payment po for Meralco bills, PLDT, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym matatagpuan po sa 3rd floor ng Security Bank Building, Lanco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. Para sa inyong inquiries, look for Gilon Maravillas. Contact number niya 0966-802-0949. Ayos ba? Yan man lang po mga kababayan. Ako po si Dante Maravillas. Bye-bye. God bless.